weekend ito ngayon, Sunday. Kaya maraming namamasyal. Yan, mga turista yan. Destination, Greater Victoria. Okay, baba tayo. Tingnan natin kung ano meron sa baba. Let's go. May mga booth dito. So maganda ang downtown po ng Victoria.
Welcome one and all to the Victoria Ska and Reggae Festival 27th annual. Another beautiful day here in Victoria. Give yourselves a round of applause. We're getting here early to check out the tunes.
Tingnan natin kung anong meron. May event ata ngayon.
For this incredible fest. Thank you so much. Shout out to DB Chester over here, spinning all of our reggae dancehall tunes, all on vinyl as well, which I hear could be a little bit of a challenge when you've got wind whipping through here. So you gotta take care of the moves all nice and ready perfectly. So anyway, DB Chester's spinning tunes around, to all of our artists. A couple quick notes here before we get going on again this beautiful
So,
Sunday.
free show daw. I don't know
To
what.
my right, to your left over here, we have our VIP area. Craig's over there. See Byron Rally over there, the stop bus. Comfy seats, your own bar, extra bathrooms.
Right,
and
man,
it's a free show. You can get yourself access
Okay,
to
let's
VIP
see.
for
Let's
only
go inside, Daddy.
$60.
Let's see what's
You
the
wanna
event.
get VIP access, we'll talk to our friends over
Wanna
at
get
the
inside? Let's
merchandise
check
tent
first.
over there. Again, purchase your VIP access.
Hey, tingnan natin kung anong event meron dito.
Running out weekly. Limited sizes available. You may have seen some folks with the sort of the Shane Angry logo. We are sold out of those.
Pero pumasok masyadong maraming tao.
For more of
I don't
those
know kung
shirts
anong
as
meron.
well. So again, check out some merch, get VIP access
Okay,
over
let's go to
at
the
the
merchandise.
merchandise
Are you gonna go
tent there. All right, let's get those things kicked off here. Of course, hip hop is a big part of this festival
Kailangan may
as well.
wristband,
With the
free
many genres
event,
we like
pero
to
may
highlight.
wristband.
Hope some of you were
Are you
at
gonna be
the
drinking
incredible
as well,
Souls of
Rabbit?
Mischief show last night on this stage. And we're going to get things going with a local rapper as well. He's going to speak it out to be
Thank you.
So please give Scott Fest welcome to Stax.
You don't know the outside liquid inside.
Yo, what's going down, Scarfest?
We're gonna go outside. This one is not allowed.
The 27th
Yeah, let's go.
annual
Lalabas po kami at hindi daw allowed ang dala-dala ng anak ko. That's fine. So we can just find something to do. Nagpalagay na kami ng wristband. It says Victoria and I don't know what's it's written. So maglagalag na lang tayo dito. Mag-ikot-ikot na lang tayo at hindi kami pinapasok sa show. Kasi ang anak ko meron dalang drinks. Meron siyang, what do you have, anak? Meron siyang bubble tea. Bawal daw ang liquid sa loob. So that's fine. So lumabas na lang kami at naghanap na lang kami ng ibang iikutan. Yan, so meron daw dito nagbebenta ng mga isaw-isaw. Isa po siyang Pilipino. Tingnan natin kung magkano ang kanilang mga paninda. So yun pong Victoria Clipper na yon. Yan po ay yan po sinasakyan going to US. So ferry po yun. Going to LA. Sayang. Yan, napakaganda nga po ng Victoria. At tingnan natin ang kanilang menu. So, there you go. They have hot dog. Ano silang isa. Yan. Okay. So, hindi ko lang alam kung bibili ba sila ng isa. Ako ay busog pa. Hindi muna ako ako kakain. So, ayan. Ayan po, malaki po ang Victoria downtown. So, ngayon, hindi natin iukutin lahat. So, dito lang tayo na area. Ito po ang pinaka-main, downtown. Main place na pinupunta talaga ng mga tao. Yung mga turista dito po talaga napunta.